Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to download and install Dropbox for desktop using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer as well as an account for Dropbox. We can start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Dropbox, download for a Mac. And then click on the first link, which will allow us to download and install the Dropbox desktop application. Accept all, click on install, skip this for now, allow this to be downloaded, wait for that to download. Once it is downloaded, click on the Dropbox installer.dmg, double click on this for it to open up, minimize Safari for the moment, and now install Dropbox by double clicking on the icon below. Dropbox is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Yes, we do. Click on OK. Open, downloading Dropbox. Wait for this to load. Verifying the application. Now the application has been downloaded to the Mac computer. Let's now go to all applications, search for Dropbox, and there we go. We will now be required to sign into Dropbox, and that will be for the next tutorial. So we can now quit Dropbox. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.